My name is Garrett Dickerson and I'm the engineer specialist for Sioux Chief Manufacturing. Sioux Chief is based out of Kansas City, Missouri, and today we're at the 2024 ASPE convention in Columbus, Ohio. At the convention, we're showcasing a lot of our commercial drainage items. So as you can see here, we have your standard floor cleanouts, floor drains, and our trap shields. We have stainless steel, ductile iron, and what we call polymer drains that can be used both in residential and commercial applications. One of the big features that we're showcasing is our finish line post-pour adjustable floor drains. And the nice feature about that is it provides a labor savings to the contractor and just a little bit of forgiveness after the concrete's been poured. This is your standard floor drain here. And the way this works, you just set your floor drain in place, adjust your strainer to where you need it to be at, where you think you need it to be at, and then you pour the concrete. If there's any variation from grade, then it has a potential tripping hazard. And so by using a finish line floor drain here, it eliminates that. You have your concrete shield that protects the threads of the strainer. You put the strainer in after the concrete's been poured, and now you can adjust it to wherever you need it to be at.